How much do YouTubers make?
If you're as interested as we are in learning how much some of your favorite YouTubers make, we're gonna take you behind the scenes and share our YouTube monetization journey as well.
Hey guys, we're YouTube travel bloggers, two gay expats. I'm Andy.
And I'm Trey. Over the past year, we have met a ton of people who were shocked to learn what we make on YouTube. So in this video, we're gonna show you our first and second paychecks, our lifetime YouTube earnings, and our monetization timeline.
We're also going to share the requirements to make money on YouTube and what the monetization process looked like for us. And of course, we'll provide a few tips along the way to help you monetize your YouTube channel faster than we did.
And definitely stick around until the end of this video and we'll take you through our YouTube analytics.
I'm personally fascinated by the analytics and the information that Google and YouTube provides us in order to optimize our content and maximize our earnings.
We'll also reveal our YouTube income per 1,000 views on our top performing video in the last 28 days, as well as our channel overall, which are two very common Google searches.
And spoiler alert, this metric can vary widely among YouTubers, and we'll explain why.
All right, let's get started with some background on our YouTube channel for context and our monetization timeline. We launched our channel last summer with our first video back in July 2021, and we've published about 52 videos since then, so we've averaged about one video per week.
Of course, the larger your video library is after you get monetized, the better your earnings will be, as you'll have more content to help grow your revenue over time.
We've seen a lot of YouTubers produce more content as soon as they're monetized. More content equals more views, which equals more money. And it also gives you the opportunity to try some new things in hopes of winning the YouTube algorithm lottery and having one of your videos go viral.
And how much does YouTube pay you for 1 million views?
That's the million-dollar question, or is it? Otherwise, the most popular profession in America would be professional YouTuber. Anyways, one of the most popular expat channels we follow here in Mexico recently revealed their YouTube ad revenue screenshot for a video with 1 million views. It was their most popular video, and the ad revenue to date is $10,885.
That's an amazing result for just one video. Let's point out that most YouTubers grow their channel over time, and it's rarely an overnight success story unless you already have a huge following on another platform. In the case of this channel, it was a blog with over 4 million views.
Consistency is key and not getting discouraged when you don't have instant results. But if you do have a successful video, you will continue to see views and revenue come in for months and years to come. So after you publish your video, it'll all be passive income. So that's a very huge plus.
Starting a YouTube channel as a side hustle is a great idea in our opinion, but only for a specific niche that you are personally passionate about. It's going to take a lot of time and energy to get monetized on YouTube, so you definitely want to stick to what you already love doing.
Piggybacking on what Andy just said, if you are looking to get into YouTube just to make money, it's unlikely to happen overnight, but it could. Most successful YouTubers are consistent from the start and grow their channel with compound growth in both subscribers and earnings.
Now let's talk about monetization. It took us from July last year to April this year to get monetized on YouTube, so about 9 months. It was our goal to get monetized in the first year.
When you cross the required 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, YouTube will send you an email to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Our channel was thankfully approved within the first 24 hours, which was awesome. And then we set up our Google Adsense account in order to get paid.
Adsense is a Google advertising platform that lets you place third-party ads on your blog, website, and YouTube. It's basically how you can earn money from viewers watching ads on your videos.
All right, let's dive into our YouTube ad revenue. One of our biggest questions before getting monetized was how much do YouTubers make, especially when they first get monetized? Of course, if you Google this or do a YouTube search for this, you're going to find the most successful YouTubers with mind-boggling earnings. So here's what we make as a small YouTube channel with around 2,000 subscribers. Here is our channel dashboard on YouTube Studio, where there is so much helpful info all in one place. Right away, we can see a new achievement that we just crossed over the 2,000 subscriber threshold. So we thank you guys so much for this, and we're super grateful for it. Just below this section, you'll find our channel analytics highlights. In the last 28 days, our subs have grown by 256, and our total views and watch time hours are up as well. With this growth, our estimated revenue just crossed $100 a month for the first time, which is super exciting to see that this metric is also growing.
For more details on how your channel is performing, you can click on the Analytics tab on the left side of the dashboard. The tab again shows your estimated revenue of $103.74. But let's drill down further by clicking on the Revenue tab below Channel Analytics to find your RPM and CPM.
Say what? What is RPM and CPM, and how do they relate to one another, or do they?
They do relate to one another. RPM means revenue per mil and tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. Ours is $4.84 for the channel over the last 28 days. Playback-based CPM means effective playback-based cost per mil and tells you how much advertisers paid per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Our CPM is $12.24, which is higher than RPM because RPM also includes views that weren't monetized. Maybe the video was too short for ads to play, for example, or viewer watch time was too short for any ads to play.
Also, if you are comparing your CPM to our CPM or another YouTuber's CPM, you really can't. The makeup of your audience demographic, for example, from how old they are to what country they live in, may impact how much an advertiser is willing to pay per 1,000 views.
Advertisers may be willing to pay more for a YouTube channel with financial content versus travel content. So that's another reason different YouTubers make different amounts of money per 1,000 views or 1 million views.
Another really cool feature on YouTube Studio is that you can check out your analytics for a specific video. For our most watched video in the last 28 days, Isla Mujeres, which has only been out for about 3 weeks, it's been viewed 1,781 times since it was published. YouTube Analytics will highlight that's 1,200 more than usual. We can also see the same for watch time hours at 187.5, which is up 127.5 more than usual. Next, we can see we've gained 12 subscribers just from this video and earned about $13 so far. As you can see from all of the analytics on this video, you can see that it's one of our better performing ones right out of the gate.
So how does payment work? How do you get paid by YouTube? After monetization, you'll be paid via your Google Adsense account if the total earnings balance is at least $100. Here's our Adsense homepage, and let's click on Payments. For us, we got monetized mid-month in April, so we earned $33.97 in our first partial month, and then $72.23 for our first full month in May. Since we didn't clear the $100 threshold minimum for a payment in April, we did not get paid for April in May, as payments happen the following month, but in June for April and May earnings combined. So our first paycheck from YouTube was for $106.20 in June. Our June earnings of $98.77 similarly did not meet the $100 threshold minimum, so we didn't receive our second check until June earnings were combined with July's earnings of $97.46. We then received a payment of $196.23 for June and July, with our second payment in August. Luckily, we are already tracking over $100 per month already for August, so we should be on a monthly payment schedule going forward.
So that's how we get paid on YouTube. For any bloggers who already have an Adsense account set up for their blog, it's even easier for you as you simply add your YouTube account onto your existing Adsense account, and then you'll get paid from both platforms via Google AdSense.
And if you're inclined to check all of your analytics on the go, there's an awesome YouTube Studio app which works great on mobile.
So as you can see, after our first year on YouTube and being monetized for just over 3 months, we've made about $400. It's definitely not been a moneymaker for us if you factor in all of the expenses we've had on equipment, editing software, travel expenses, and of course our time.
It's been a massive learning curve, but we definitely enjoy learning new things, traveling, and sharing our experiences. And we really appreciate all of the messages and feedback from you guys, so keep them coming. It really motivates us to keep making more videos.
All right, switching gears a little bit. So far, we've focused on making money from YouTube ad revenue. Another way to make money online is from affiliate links. We use Get Your Guide, for example, as travel bloggers. We often organize our own tours through them and then highlight our experiences on YouTube and on our blog.
For full disclosure, we've made a grand total of $13.67 in affiliate marketing on both our travel blog and YouTube. But we're hoping to provide more value in the future to viewers and improve our metrics in this area as well. So please, fellow YouTubers and YouTuberettes, YouTube is not a gold mine, and we'd be super stoked if you would check out the links to our gear in the description below.
And for anyone who's made it this far, we're also going to drop our links to our travel necessities and the things we can't live without on the road. So if you're already planning to use one of these products or services, why not throw us a bone and use one of our links?
It's also a huge help to your favorite content creators to like, follow, subscribe, share posts and videos, and watch a few ads in full every now and then. These are all completely free ways to show your support.
Before we wrap up, we were really hesitant to make this video, but we thought, let's be real, who isn't interested to know how much the YouTubers they follow make? We also have met so many people who thought we were making a ton of money on YouTube, so we wanted to set the record straight. It was flattering to think that so many people thought we were making so much money.
Especially the many people we continue to meet while visiting in Cipolite, Mexico. It's been one of our best performing videos, but at the time, we weren't even monetized yet.
After so many months on YouTube, people were really surprised that we kept pushing forward and making weekly videos, even though we weren't earning any money. But we love being content creators and especially interacting with people that we meet on our travels because of our channel.
Well, that's it for this video on how much YouTubers make and how to make money on YouTube.
We hope this video provided you a realistic view into what it's like to start your own YouTube channel, or at the very least, an insightful and entertaining look behind the scenes of our YouTube channel, 2Get Expats.
And if you guys like this video, please do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm. Also, please subscribe to our channel for all of our travel vlogs and tips on moving to Mexico.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego.